Good morning, students. Now in this session we'll start a new chapter, that is surface area and volume of class 9. This is session number 12. Now here in this chapter we have to memorize lots of formula, but in the last year, that is in class 8, I gave you all the formulas which will be used in this chapter. So first of all, now I write all the formulas which will be used here. So first of all, we'll start from the cuboid. So now cuboid total surface area of cuboid. TSA means total surface area. Yes, total surface area of cuboid. That is 2 LH plus BH plus LB. 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. Next one is lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. Now what is lateral? Okay, now take an example. Suppose this is cuboid. Now lateral means where the top and bottom part both are missing. Now let me introduce. Suppose this is the cuboid. This is the length and this is the breadth. So what is the area of this portion? It is a rectangle. This is length, this is breadth. So area of this portion is LB. Similarly, this portion is also missing. Now what is the area of this portion? This is L, this is B. That means the area of this portion is also LB. So LB and LB, 2 LB are missing in the lateral surface area of cuboid. That's why the total surface area is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. So from here, LB, twice LB will be missing. So that means 2 into LH plus BH. Now we can modify this formula. See, here 2 LH plus BH, H is common. So 2 into H into L plus B. Now what is 2 into L plus B? That is perimeter of rectangle. Got it? So now the question may change in different ways. Suppose the lateral surface is given and perimeter rectangle given. Question is find the height. Here H, not N, H. So here then in that case we will use the formula LSA, that is equal to H into perimeter of rectangle. So we will replace the LSA and the perimeter of rectangle is equal to H equal to this lateral surface area of cuboid divided by perimeter of rectangle. Yes, got it. Now next one is area of swimming pool. Area of swimming pool. Now swimming pool means, suppose this is a swimming pool. Yes, swimming pool, the top part is missing. The top part is missing. So where in the swimming pool there are 4 walls. 4 wall means the lateral surface area. Lateral surface of cuboid means area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls also. Yes. So whenever it comes to area of swimming pool means area of the 4 walls plus area of the base. So what is the area of the 4 walls? 2 into LH plus BH. And what is the area of the base? Base, that is LB. So it becomes 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. And this is the area of same thing, area of 4 walls and either ceiling or floor. Yes, this is the room, area of the 4 walls, either ceiling or floor, anyone. That is the same formula, 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. This is the area of swimming pool or area of 4 walls and either ceiling and floor, anyone. Next one we want volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, that is LBH. Volume of cuboid, that is LBH. So these are the formula based on the cuboid. Next we write down the formula based on cube. Now cube means, what is cube? total surface area of cube, lateral surface area of cube, then volume of cube. Now give an example cube. Cube, simple example dice, yes. Cube means where all the sides are equal, length, breadth and height all are equal, that is known as cube. So suppose this is a cube, this is a cube where length, breadth and height all are same. Length, breadth, height all are same. So this is length, this is breadth. If both are same, so what is the area? Side into side, that is side square. So area of this face is side square. Similarly, area of this face side square, because it is a cube. In cube, all the sides are same. Means area of this face, area of this face, area of this face, and this. Area of all the 6 faces are equal. So as here the length and breadth both are same. So it is a square. Means each face of a cube is a square. Yes, each face of a cube equal to what? Square. Look at what? Square. It's exactly square. Now what is the area of square? Area of square, side square. S square means side square. So similarly, what is the area of each face of a cube? Area of each face of a cube. Face of a cube, that is also side square. Yes. So this is the area of each face of a cube. This is equal to side square. So similarly, in a cube there are 6 faces, and the area of each face equal to s square. That's why area of a cube, total surface of cube, 6 into side square. 6 into side square. Now lateral means 2 parts are missing, top and bottom missing, so it becomes 4 into side square. Got it? 4 into side square. Then volume of cube, side cube. Or you can write L cube, same, all are same. L cube, all are same, or H cube. Yes. Then here we will remember few more things, and those are what? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. The next, area of rectangle. That is L into B. Area of rectangle L into B. Then perimeter of square. Equal to 4 into side. Then area of square equal to side into side. So perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B, area of rectangle L into B, perimeter of square 4 into side, then area of square equal to side into side. Yes. Next will be cylinder. In case of cylinder, okay, now this is cylinder. Yes, this is cylinder. Now, what is the curved surface of cylinder? Yes. Okay, for the page because I don't have. Yes. Now see, this one is a cylinder. Yes. If I open the cylinder, then it is look like a what? So simply this one. Okay. Now see, this one is a cylinder. Yes. If I open this one, then it is look like a rectangle. So what is the sides of the cylinder? This is the height of the cylinder, and each bases of the cylinder are look like a circle. Now this is the circumference of the circle. So what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. This is circumference, and this is the height. Okay, now see, if I open this one, then this is the breadth or not, and it is the 2 pi r, circumference of the circle, 2 pi r, and this is the height. Now what is the area of a rectangle? L into B. Area of a rectangle, L into B. So here what is L? Here L equal to 2 pi r. Yes, and breadth equal to what? H. That's why 2 pi r h. This is the curved surface area of cylinder. Got it? So this is the curved surface area of cylinder. This one. Here prove on it. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. Next is total surface area of cylinder. The total surface, okay, now I can see. Total surface here. Curve means only this portion. Total means it is completely closed on either side. So the curved portion plus area of the two bases. Total surface area means area of the curved portion and area of the two bases. Now each bases are in the shape of a circle. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Same like this. What is the area of this portion? That is also pi r square. So the total surface area is 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. That is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So we can take common 2 pi r h plus r. So this is the total surface area of a cylinder. Then volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. This is equal to pi r square h. Simply same as the previous one. Now this is a circle whose area is pi r square. Now here height is what? H or not? So what is the volume? Pi r square into height. So pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. Yes, got it? So curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. Then total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h plus area of the two bases pi r square plus equal to 2 pi r h plus twice pi r square. So 2 pi r into h plus r. Then volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Then next one is total surface area of hollow cylinder. Yes, now this is a hollow cylinder. Now what is the total surface area? See, there are inner radius as well as outer radius. So there are two sides, outer curved surface area and inner curved surface area. So if it is a hollow cylinder, then total surface area will be outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area and the area of the two bases, area of these portions, that is equal to inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus 2 pi r square minus r square. Outer circle area minus inner circle area. This is pi r square. This radius is r and this is capital R. So area of this portion equal to pi r square minus pi r square, and there are two faces. That's it, 2 pi r square minus pi small r square. This is the total surface area of hollow cylinder. Yes. Now next, there are lots of formulas. Now in this session we will discuss up to cone, then after that we start exercise. Here we start up to cone. Okay, now listen. Here what is R? R equal radius. R equal to what? Radius. And H equal to what? Height of the cylinder. And the last one where total surface area of hollow cylinder equal to where that is R equal to inner radius. And capital R equal to outer radius. And D equal to what? D equal to diameter. D equal to diameter. And if D is given, the radius equal to half of diameter. Or conversely, diameter equal to twice of radius. If D given, then R equal to half of diameter. And if R given, D equal to twice of radius. Now cone. Now curved surface area cone. That is equal to pi RL. Pi RL. Pi constant, pi equal to what? Either 22/7 or 3.14, which will be given in the question. Main thing is R. R is same as the cylinder radius, and L equals slant height. L equal to what? Slant height. So what is slant height? See this one. This is a cone. Yes, this is a cone. This is the height. This is the radius. This is the height. This is known as slant height. L. This side is known as slant height. That is L. Yes, L. So if H and R given, then how to find out the L? So by using Pythagoras theorem, L square equal to H square plus R square. So L equal under root H square plus R square. So this is the formula to find the value of L if H and R are given. L equal to slant height. So L equal to under root H square plus R square. Then after that, what is the TSA of cone? Total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone. Curved surface area plus area of the base. So here the base is also circle, so pi r square. Simply pi r common, L plus R. So this is yes, this is total surface area. The next is volume of cone. Volume of cone equal to 1/3 the volume of what? Cylinder. 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. Okay, in the previous one I forgot to give one formula, that is volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder. That is outer volume minus inner volume, or pi h r square minus r square. In some book it is given as pi h r plus r into r minus r, because it's a square minus b square. They use the formula a plus b into a minus b. Yes. So till now to discuss the formula of cuboid, then cube, then rectangle, square, circle, yes, and then cylinder and cone. Now in the next session we'll start the exercise, that is 13.1. Yes, start the exercise, that is 13.1. So one more thing, circumference. Circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. are area of circle. Area of circle equal to 5 square. Yes. So up to here done. In the next session, we'll do the question of 13.1. Yes.